Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Just like always, if you're new, go down and click that big red button that says subscribe. While you're down there, click the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a video like this one. And yeah, so I'm going to be doing a challenge that I've seen other YouTubers do, and I just always wanted to do it. And I'm going to do it differently. Usually they have a spinny wheel, but I'm using paper. It's written on it, and I'm going to be putting it in this cup, and then I'm going to pick two out. I usually spin twice, and whatever they land on, that's what they get. But I'm going to be doing it differently because I'm not going to put in one that says like go again or continue on. And by continue on, like if I spin and it says glue and I can't use glue, then I spin and it says continue on, then the only thing I don't have is glue, and I have everything else. So I'm going to be using today is water. Hold it and put it in the cup. Glue. It may be backwards to you guys, but glitter. Did I put water in there already? Hold on. I did. Well. Oh, when I put I put two waters. I'm going to cross out the water on this one and put color. That's what I meant to put on there. So color, scent, borax, spoon, and bowl. So I'm going to pick out two of these at random. Close my eyes. And whatever I pick, I cannot use. Pick this one. I cannot use borax, you guys. My slime is not going to come together, but at the end of this video, I'm going to activate it to just show you guys what it looked like. So I have no borax. Are you kidding me? This is gonna suck. No glue, no borax, so I have to add everything else. So I'm just gonna dump this out. Other people had shaving cream in theirs, but I don't. So I have my bowl. Check. Spoon. Scent. Check. Glitter. Check. Technical difficulty. Okay, got it all situated. Color. I'm gonna use pink. Check. Water. Let me get that out of the sink. Check. And I only said that because I'm charging it right now. The charger was in the sink. So I'm gonna get all of these out of here. Put them back in the cup. And start. So I guess I can only use 6 things. Okay. And when I gonna try to do this from now on. If I haven't used it, put it on this side. If I used it, put it on this side so you guys know. So I guess first I'm gonna add the water. All of it, I guess. So the stuff doesn't stick to the bottom. I guess let's add some glitter now. That should be enough. Pink dye. It's a lot of dye. Oh well. And some Ocean Breeze scent. Smells so good. So now I'm gonna stir. And I will do a second one too. Alright, so here's my final product. You guys can see the glitter at the bottom. I'm gonna try and look at that glitter that's on the spoon. That's like big chunks of glitter. So yeah, now I'm going to add the glue. Ugh. Try and... Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna add glue. Sorry for your background noises. And I will move that for you guys to see. I may need more glue. I think I'm gonna need more glue because this is a lot of liquid. Shouldn't have added that whole thing of water, but I think it's just gonna be very jiggly. Now I'm adding more glue. Okay. Let's see. Sorry once again for background noises. They're watching a movie, so I'm sorry. Just ignore it. Oh, good. So now, grab my activator. Activator. Singing in the shower. Okay, so stirring this kind of vigorously. As you can tell, it's coming together. And you will get some ASMR right now. Here's the ASMR. Now on to the dos slime. And dos means two in Spanish. So, let's see. I'm gonna get the rest of the slime and glitter off of this spoon. Try to anyway. Okay. So now I'm gonna get the rest out of this. Try to get the rest of this bowl. And put this here. Draw again. I'm gonna set this in the bowl. I'm gonna dump these out. And I'm gonna pick with the eyes shut. I got glue again. There's no way. I'm repicking. spoon, so I can't use a spoon. Okay. Okay. The glue again, I'm not doing glue, guys. Glitter, I can't use glitter. So I can't use a spoon and a glitter. It's a tiny thing. So I'm going to get some different food coloring and I will be back. Alright, so I'm going to be using this paint palette. Well, it's not a palette, but I'm going to be using this purple right here. Or, you know what? Yeah, the purple. The purple. If I can get it open without splattering over me. There we go. Okay. Well, there's going to be some glitter in my bowl, but oh well. It's from last slime I made. So that's enough glue. I'm just going to add some water in there. Dang it, I forgot I can't use a spoon. Because I'm mixing with my finger. I can't stir that vigorously without getting it all over. ASMR. Alright. So, I'm going to use my finger to get the paint out. I'm going to turn this over. It's coming out. Stick my finger in there again. And do that. It's not the color I want it to be. I'm going to add some yellow and see what it does. Because this sometimes doesn't show up very well. This paint, it's from a slime kit, so you know, it's a cheapo slime kit. But the slime actually worked, so. Ooh, it's like a lavender color. It's brighter in person though. Alright, activator time. Oh yeah, and I didn't add scent either, but oh well. I don't want scent in this. Gonna get my whole hand in there. Well, that's so satisfying to squeeze. No, it is not over-activating. It's just what it does when it's coming together. This is going to take a while, so I'm going to get back to you when this is done, and so I can give you some ASMR. This ain't going to work. And some ASMR. Trying to get it, there we go. Sorry for the chainsaw noises. ASMR may be bad at this angle, but you know, it's hard to film and do ASMR all at one time. Like, one hand for ASMR, one hand for the camera, so. Yeah, if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and bye!